ModTech, and Bailey and I are back at the window on the waterfront. We're going to take another stroll, but today we have got the long leash, and let's get cracking. Alrighty friends, so last time we followed this path and went right down to the water, but after a little exploration, we found that you can go off to the side as well. This is a more grassy area, and the odds of finding people are a little more slim. Today, we're trying to block the wind, so I'm not sure how much you're going to hear me because it's a little bit brisk, but it is a glorious day for a puppy stroll, even if we're just going to stop and smell stuff. Come on, little lady, let's get going. Alright, so along the path you can see there are lots of ways to cut down to the real path. Back behind there you can see there's Windmill Island. We're going to stay up here on the grass for a little bit longer. Then we'll walk back by the water when we return. Leave it, big girl, no carrying the leash. Good girl, yes. The birds, but you're not allowed to chase them, little lady. So one day, we actually walked all the way up there and walked back around on the sidewalk type area to get back. Just because it gives you nice variety. And also I had that short leash, so it was a lot less work. But today with the long leash, it's a lot more enjoyable. And it's nice to get out for a stroll either way. Once again, these little paths just connect us back to the real path. Today, Bailey and I are going to go to the right, and then we're going to return on those paths. This right side, big girl. Yes. Along the path, they do have bags for puppy waste, and there are trash cans up here as well. We're going this way, Pooch. Good girl. This way, big dog. And this way. So this is another fantastic parking spot if you want to walk through the paths. We're going this way, Pooch. Puppy gets to wander and smell. I get to check out the awesome views. This moves faster than the other though. Come on, lady. You're slow like a turtle. You can go down to the building down there. Bailey and I have done that before, but you really can't see anything. There's a little deck, and there's no way to get on it. This side, puppy. So I love this little observatory here. It lets you look out over what I think might be called a river, but in my eyeballs it's also Lake Mac. Sweet little picnic table. Lots of rooms so that you can be with people, and splendid views of wildlife. Below us there is that cool deck area, but there is no way that I can see that we can access it without climbing over a fence. And then in the water I can see fish, which is pretty cool. Alright, enough of the daddy sightseeing parts. Let's go see what the puppy likes. Come on. Come on, puppy dog. You're moving slow like a turtle. This way, folks. You'd do anything to get down in that water, wouldn't you? Nope, not going in the water, puppy. girl. Come on up this way. Get up on the path. Alrighty friends, this was episode 52. I cannot believe we've done this for a whole year, but if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from Bailey and I.